The CE error code on an LG washer indicates an electricity problem. This issue can be caused by unstable incoming power or a faulty motor in the machine. To fix the CE error code, start by resetting the washer, which can resolve temporary glitches. To do this, disconnect the washer from the power source. Wait 30 seconds, and then reconnect it to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue persists, check the wire and wire harness connections, as loose or damaged wires can lead to unstable incoming power. Access the wires and wire harnesses around the main control circuit board and inspect them for any damage or looseness. Resecure any loose connections and replace damaged wires. If the wires are in good condition, the motor may be the culprit, so use an ohm meter to test it and ensure it's conducting current properly. If the motor is faulty, replace it with a new one. If none of these solutions work, it's best to contact a qualified professional for further assistance.